Hello guys, in this step-by-step video, I will show you how to change name on YouTube channel. So the steps are so simple to follow on Android device as well as on iOS device. Just make sure to watch the video to the end, you don't make any mistake. First of all, go to your Play Store, App Store and install this YouTube Studio app. After you install the app, all you have to do now, go and open the app now. So after you open the app, for the first time, it will ask you to log in using your Gmail account that you use on your YouTube channel. So after you log in, it will give you interface like this one. So tap on this profile icon at your top right side and tap on this pencil icon. As you can see, this pencil icon, tap on it. So as you can see now in this section, now it will allow you now to change your YouTube channel name. So tap on this pencil icon beside the name. So as you can see now, here is the name now. Now you can be able now to change your name. As you can see, here is the name now. You can be able now to delete and write new name. After you type in your channel name, tap on this save button. It will save your new channel name. That's it guys. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.